Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'm making this bright, fresh, and spicy Italian pasta salad. If that sounds good to you, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the dressing. This is a technique from Jacques Pepin. Get some olive oil into a jar that has a lid. Pour in some freshly squeezed lemon juice. As always, I'll link to the recipe down below. Add in some salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and some optional cayenne pepper or hot chili flakes to taste. This last bit is optional, but I like to add some Dijon or whole grain mustard. Not really traditional in Italian dressing, but it definitely helps emulsify everything. Get the lid on and work it like the Atlanta rhythm section. If you're enjoying my videos, please click that like button for me. YouTube will offer my videos to more people, and I appreciate your help growing my channel. Now we're going to talk about this pasta. I'm using the bow ties today, but you can really use any short shape you like. I call these bow ties, but they're also called farfalle, which kind of translates as butterflies. That sounds kind of pleasant and springtimey, doesn't it? Butterflies. They're delightful. Let's boil them. Get plenty of salt into a large pot of boiling water. Pour in all those enchanting butterflies and cook according to the package directions. Drain them when they're done and get them into a large mixing bowl. Now we're going to add in some combination of the following ingredients. About 1/2 pint of halved cherry tomatoes, some diced shallot or red onion, diced green bell pepper, mozzarella balls, tiny pepperoni, spicy salami, diced ham, and black olives. Stir all this up to combine. Now you're going to pour over your awesome dressing and again, stir it all up. We're basically done at this point, but I'm going to sprinkle over some chopped chives because I always seem to have a package of those in my fridge. It's time to eat. Adapt this recipe to your taste, and I'm sure you'll find plenty of uses for the dressing alone. If you'd like another great recipe, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.